Hello to you. My name is Jessie R. Johnson. This is, can a perpetual machine be made? That's a question. I was looking over and scrutinizing almost all the devices and ideas for a perpetual machine on the web. It's a lot of material to go through. None of these systems work. Why? Because the mechanisms being used are unworkable. What does that mean? That's a question. The devices are to make something rotate or continuously turn, never linearly up and down or back and forth. There are laws specifically to machines. The first law of all machines is all machines are made of something. There's no such thing as a machine made of nothing. The second law is all machines are finite and therefore do finite things. They have limits in every form and way. A third law is all machines waste unretrievable energy. Hence, there's no such thing as an Overunity system. There's 100% total energy and force of the makeup of the machine itself, its processes and use, and nothing can go beyond that. With free energy devices, the people who try to construct such systems are seemingly unaware of the actual world they're an aspect of. Free in what way? That's a question. It takes time, effort, energy, and money to create the machine, which must be made part of the cost at all times. Energy is never free. An infrastructure, that's I-N-F-R-A, an infrastructure must be created for it. There is no 100% free energy except for the universe itself, of course. 90 to 95% free energy, yes. 100% free energy, no, an impossibility. The next thing people seeking to produce such systems is that they do not comprehend the definition of the very words they're using. A machine is anything used to do work. There's only one exception to this universal definition. Living things cannot be made into machines. When this is tried, they never become machines. They become slaves. Horses, dogs, humans, cows, etc. Hence, a perpetual motion machine, in the sense of perpetual motion, a perpetual motion machine is a contradiction in terminology. The only motion and change that is factually true perpetual is the universe itself, of course, since there is no such thing as a perpetual machine, 100% free energy machines, Overunity machines, perpetual motion machines, then what can be done? That's a question. In this case, there are two types of systems. Number one, a system that uses all of its own energy and or forces to run itself, but none of the energy and or forces can be removed without the system stopping. It cannot be used to do work. Therefore, it is not a machine. It is just a novelty to look at. Number two, a system that uses a small fraction of its energy and or forces from a small initiator to make a much larger part of the system itself run while giving out useful work and running a long time in the context of a human lifetime. This is a machine. This is a semi-perpetual machine. running months to several dozens of years without external energy input. This is an initiator machine. Remember, there is a limit to all objects, things, and processes. There is no such a thing as an infinite number of finite things, though the number may be indefinably and indefinitely large. To construct a semi-perpetual machine, two things are needed. One, a small initiator, and two, cancellation metal or permanent magnet field balancing metal. I've made videos of all of these things, explaining them in detail, the process of the what and the how of it. Please write into YouTube Jessie Johnson, that's Jessie, Jessie Johnson. My image will appear inside of a circle with deep green trees as a background, and all of my videos will be presented. This is in fact what can be made and can be done. Now, I would like to thank everyone for listening and watching. Share this video and subscribe, and have a good day and stay safe.